Hi everyone. Today we are going to build a comprehensive online shopping cart system in Python. We will cover string cleaning, list operations, and conditional logic. So first we handle the customer name. We use .strip variable and .title variable. We use .strip variable to remove any extra spaces and title to capitalize the first letters of each word. We also use upper variable for the store name to make it stand out. In the next part, we define our numeric variables. We calculate the final bill by adding a 5% tax and then subtracting a discount. Python makes these arithmetic operations very simple. In the next part, let's manage the shopping cart. We create a list of items like laptop, mouse, keyboard, monitor, and USB. We create a list of items and use append variable which is used to add a new product, and then we use sort variable to organize our list alphabetically from A to Z. In the next part, part 4, finally we use a for loop to display every item in the cart. We use \t, which is escape cursor, escape sequence, which is used for a clean tab space. Then we apply if else logic to check if the customer qualifies for free shipping based on their bill. So this is our program for online shopping cart, and now run this program. Now run this program. So there is our output. First, look at the top. Even though our raw data had messy spaces, the output shows Muhammad Ali here, Muhammad Ali perfectly. This is because we use strip variable to clean the spaces and title variable to make it look professional. The store name is also in all the caps thanks to upper. In the next, we notice the total bill. The program took the basic price of 1200, added 5% tax, and then subtracted the 150 discount automatically. This shows how Python handles arithmetic operations fluently. Next, in the cart section, you can see the items are listed in alphabetically order. First, headphones, keyboard, laptop, monitor, mouse, USB. Also, we added headphones at the end using append. The sort function rearranges everything from H to U. This makes the list very easy to read. And then we notice the spacing. Each item is pushed to the right because of \t tab character, and there is a clean gap between sections because of \n new line. This makes our output user friendly. And then conditional logic. Finally, look at the status. Since our bills was 1110, which is greater than 1000, the program automatically assigned the premium member status with free shipping. If the bill was lower, the output would have changed to standard member. So this is
Thanks
our
for
output.
watching. If you really like this video and the tutorial helped you, then please like this video and subscribe. Code with Motiba.